Now, a few days ago, I reviewed the thinnest smartphone with wireless charging. As impressive as that one is, the Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus is even thinner. At 5.95mm, this is the world's slimmest smartphone with a curved display. It features an AMOLED display, a large battery with fast charging. It comes with a sonic camera sensor. Kai, this phone is slim and fine. Now, being a slim smartphone, is this a problem? Will it break if you put it in your back pocket and sit on it? Is the phone even worth buying? Well, keep watching to find out. Spoiler alert, I'm not going to tell you. Keep watching to find out. Starting with what it comes with in the box, you get a screen protector, a plastic case, a USB Type-C earpiece, a USB Type-C cable, and a 45 watts fast charger that charges this smartphone from 0 to 100% in 1 hour, 11 minutes. The Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus comes in exciting colors, and I really dig the pink color. The front glass is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, making it resistant to drops from a height of 1.5 meters and also to scratches. The rear of this smartphone is also strong. It's made from fiberglass composite, and the frame is made from aerospace grade aluminum. So you can sit on this smartphone without fear and it will not break. Guess what? The Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus is also dust and splash resistant. It can withstand high pressure water sprays from all directions. What I'm doing right here is even small thing. It can withstand more than this. This smartphone has dual stereo speakers and they sound alright. I mean, they have to sound alright because they are tuned by JBL. This phone has dual SIM card tray, no memory card expansion slot. It also doesn't have a 3.5mm audio jack. As for the fingerprint, it's on the display, and as you can see, it's accurate and fast. Now let's talk about the display, because this is definitely one standout feature. You're getting a 6.78-inch curved AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution, and it looks sharp. It refreshes at 144 Hz for selected apps. So technically, is it a 144 Hz display or 120 Hz? You tell me. Another thing this smartphone has going for it is brightness. It has a peak brightness of 4500 nits, so using the smartphone outside under direct sunlight shouldn't be a problem. The display of the smartphone is A1. It's best in class, and you're not going to find a better looking display at this price. So the build quality is good, the display is but what about the performance? Is this smartphone slow? The truth is, it's okay. The Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus is powered by the MediaTek Helio G200 chipset. It's a new processor. It isn't too different from the MediaTek Helio G100 chipset. It just has slightly higher GPU clock speed. Now, that aside, this smartphone performance is okay for the price. I mean, it's a budget smartphone. Scrolling is smooth, it doesn't feel slow, it can handle things that we do daily, like scrolling through TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. It can handle all those things fine. Now, for gaming, I played Call of Duty Mobile on medium graphics and high frame rate. The game ran well with no lag, and after 15 minutes of gaming, the phone got a little bit warm, which is absolutely normal. PUBG ran at HDR graphics and ultra frame rate. The gameplay was smooth, no lagging. I really enjoyed playing PUBG on this smartphone. If you're a PUBG player, you're going to love this phone. So yeah, as a budget gaming device, it's okay. This smartphone comes with 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of internal storage. Multitasking with 8GB of RAM is good. Now, the Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus is running Android 15, and yes, it's going to get 3 years of OS updates and 5 years of security updates. The skin, XOS 15.1.1, is smooth. Apps launch fast. The user interface has been improved. It looks more vibrant. The animation is better. Guys, Infinix took their time and polished up the user interface. It's way better. Now, this is the part I don't like. This phone comes with bloatware because I did not install these applications, this one's and this one. But that aside, it does come with some useful features like a dual system that allows you to have different profiles. You can access each profile with a separate password. It has AI features, a lot of them. The first one, the one I like using the most, is AI Eraser. You don't find this feature on budget smartphones. It has an AI extender that extends and adds things to the picture. You can also use AI Vogue to make cool wallpapers. AI Sharpness Plus edits your pictures to make them pop. I recommend you use this because it makes a difference. It has Ultra Link, which allows you to send messages and make calls to compatible devices, and it works without a SIM card or Wi-Fi. It uses Bluetooth for communication, and from my test, I got a range of around 40 meters to make calls. It even has Circle to Search, which you can use to identify audio and anything that is on the screen. Now, the front camera is a 30 megapixel shooter, and look at it now. Just look at how sharp it is. Look at this skin tone. Infinix, come. What did you guys do to make this phone capture pictures like this? Look at my beard. Infinix cooked with the front-facing camera. So yeah, disclaimer, I was standing in front of a studio light, but see how sweet these pictures look. Now, moving outside with natural light, the pictures still look okay. It shows enough details and the colors look accurate. Portrait shots look amazing. It's struggling a bit to separate me from the background on the edges, but it still looks alright. So, here's a video from the front-facing camera of the Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus. It's shooting in 2K 30 FPS. I'm standing in front of a studio light. What do you guys think about the video quality? Is it good enough to use for content creation? I think so. What do you guys think about the video quality? Let me know in the comment section below. So right now I'm outside using the front-facing camera, shooting in 2K 30 FPS, no studio lights. What do you guys think about the video quality? Let me know in the comment section below. Now with the front-facing camera, shooting in 2K 30 FPS, it doesn't have stabilization when you shoot in 2K 30 FPS. So right now I'm jogging. Just watch the background. Now I'm going to turn on EIS. And now EIS is turned on, it's cropped in, but it's more stable. Moving to the rear camera, it has a 50 megapixel main camera. Who wants this drink? I can't even remember the name, but it looks good. See, new kid, Mr. Eric, I call him Scarface. The pictures of him look good. Yes, Brown, my dog. She's thinking of what to eat in this picture. Look at the details. I mean, for the price of this smartphone, these cameras are all right. Here are some dog portrait shots. As you can see, it looks good. These photos were captured using the rear camera. See now, tell me Infinix didn't cook. Tell me. See portraits now. See cinematic portraits. Kai, I find die. And right now, I'm using the rear camera, the 50 megapixel rear camera, shooting in 2K 30 FPS. Is the quality any good? Is it going to be good for TikTok and Instagram? I don't know. What do you guys think about the quality? Let's know in the comment section below. Remember, it's a Sony sensor, so it should look good. I haven't seen the footage yet, but it should look good. Did you guys notice that the first video you just watched was a little bit shaky? Well, that's because stabilization, EIS, electronic stabilization, wasn't turned on. But right now, it is turned on. And when you put it on, it shoots in 1080p 30 FPS instead of 2K 30 FPS. So you lose resolution. But hey, the video quality, is it just as good as the 2K footage? Again, this is 1080p 30 FPS. What do you guys think about the video quality? I mean, it's more stable, but what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. I honestly don't know how they did it. This slim smartphone has a 5,160 mAh battery inside it. How they were able to squeeze that much battery inside this slim factor, I have no idea. Now, for regular users, this smartphone is going to last the entire day. Now, from my usage, I reached around 10% around 5 p.m. and I was using the smartphone. So the battery life is good. With the 45 watts fast charger, charging is quick. It took 1 hour, 11 minutes to charge this smartphone from 0 to 100% in hyper charging mode, and the phone didn't get hot while charging. Now, the Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus starts at 262,900 Naira. The 256GB version costs 291,000 Naira, and I wish it cost less. I want people to buy this smartphone. It's that good. This phone is slim, it's tough, and the build quality is good for the price. Now, it doesn't have a memory card slot, and to some people, that's a con, but I don't use a memory card. All my things are stored in the cloud. The display of this smartphone is best in class. The performance is good for a budget smartphone. It can run your favorite games at medium graphics. The cameras are really good for the price. The battery inside the smartphone is big and should last the entire day. Plus, charging is fast. For the cons, not having a memory card slot is an issue for some people. Also, some people don't like curved displays. I don't know why, I love them. And also the price, I wish it was a little bit lower. If Infinix could take out 20,000 naira from the price, that would be awesome. That would be awesome. So guys, that's my take on the Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus. I hope this video was useful to you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you guys with more videos like this. Valor Reviews, signing out.